Okay, so I thought this might be the easiest way to kind of go over some of the changes I made in the OneNote. So this will be where you find all of your plans. So as you can see in Alana's tab, I look at the plans for the week, and here's everything. So this is all her information you'll need for writing. I need to put in my own plans, but and then there's her writing for Tuesday. So all of it will be right here. Same goes for Destiny. So Shamia, just double check and make sure that you do have access to the OneNote. I believe I'm almost positive I shared it with you at the beginning of the school year, but just double check. So this is her plans, and it just basically goes through her playlist for the day. But there'll be extra notes in here for when she does have her pull-out sessions as to what she'll be doing. The other thing I wanted to just kind of bring to your guys' attention is this daily attendance. Sue, this is going to be more for you, but this attendance link is going to take you to this Google Docs page. So within this page, you're going to click the date range at the bottom. And then I just want to know if the students are in attendance. So for kindergarten, usually it's only Jordan and Alicia that show up. But all you do is click in the box and it'll change it to a check. Sorry. If they don't attend, just leave it blank. And then there's also a space down here for Alana and Destiny. So did they have their reading work, their writing work, math? Did they do their life skills assignments? Sorry. This is just how I'm going to try to track attendance. This way you guys have access to it, so you don't need to send me a separate text or email. You guys will just have access and be able to go in and do it. I guess if you have any questions about any of this, just let me know. But I'm trying to make it kind of like a one-stop shop and everything to be in one spot for you guys. So we'll see how it goes. Again, just let me know if you need anything from me in the morning. I'll be logged on by like 8:30, so you can even call me on Teams if we need to go through this again or whatever you guys need. Just let me know. All right, thanks guys. Bye.